Most people get this wrong when comparing Markate and Housecall Pro. They look at feature lists, see a lot of overlap, and assume they're basically the same platform. Here's the truth no one tells you. These tools are built with slightly different priorities, and choosing the wrong one can create headaches as your business grows. In this video, you'll learn the key differences between Markate and Housecall Pro in 2026, which businesses each platform is best suited for, and how to choose the right one without wasting time or money. Let's get straight to the answer. If your main goal is running service operations efficiently with a polished customer experience, Housecall Pro is often the stronger choice. If you're looking for a platform that combines business management with built-in marketing and lead generation tools, Markate deserves a closer look. Now let's break it down. Imagine Jake owns a small HVAC company. His biggest challenge is scheduling technicians, sending estimates, collecting payments, and keeping customers informed. Housecall Pro is designed to make those daily tasks simple. The platform is known for user-friendly scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer communication. But here's the problem. Many service businesses don't struggle with operations. They struggle with getting more customers. This is where Markate becomes interesting. In addition to core field service management features, Markate places a stronger focus on marketing tools, customer engagement, and business growth features. For contractors trying to generate leads and improve online visibility, that can be a meaningful advantage. This is where most people fail. They choose software based on features they rarely use instead of solving their biggest business bottleneck. If Alex already has a steady flow of customers and needs better operational efficiency, Housecall Pro may provide more value. If John wants software that helps manage customers while also supporting marketing efforts, Markate could be the better fit. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide between the two. Let's talk scalability. Housecall Pro is often favored by service businesses that want a streamlined workflow and fast employee onboarding. New staff can usually learn the system quickly. Markate may appeal more to owners looking for a broader all-in-one approach. Instead of relying on multiple tools for customer management and marketing, they can centralize more functions in one platform. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best software isn't necessarily the one with the longest feature list. It's the one your team actually uses every day. So which platform wins in 2026? Choose Housecall Pro if scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and ease of use are your top priorities. Choose Markate if marketing, customer acquisition, and all-in-one business management matter more. The key takeaway is simple. Match the software to your biggest business challenge, not the biggest feature list. If this comparison helped you make a smarter decision, hit the like button. Subscribe for more software reviews and comparisons, and leave a comment with the platform you're currently considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.